Na sa Miss Obeng, she was working in the office of the Vice President Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Miami boss. Now, about a year or so, Boss Sheba, you are welcome, one love. About a year or so, or 2 years, no, I think a year, to election 2024. And as I buy Oeno, and I buy AyEka say, we're resigning from Dr. Bawumia's office. Okay. Then, good. Iron Lady, thank you so much. Rosemond Obeng, thank you so much. And I'll say, or resign here from Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's office. About a year to election 2024. Now, I'll resign here, and I'll start a year campaign. Emma NDC. Go fact and find yourself. And I'll start a year campaign, my NDC. Rosemond Obeng. And now I know AyEka say, Sir Rosemond Obeng. Ya appointing Mahama, His Excellency, appointing as his personal aide. Personal aide to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Rosemond Obeng now you Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia office no. 1 year to the election. And I also resigning. Satisfy campaign ma NDC and Nejo Mahama are appointing as a personal aide. Now this is why I'm bringing this up. Okay. After all the campaign we are doing, say a bad power. Now realize say appointee bi and I say obi ayama position and I say oye influential adia oye with that position no embua party no we elections more delegates and grassroots we must be ready to start using the NDC approach to deal with them. Now it shows that not knowing sir or by a friend Rosemond Obeng, not knowing most of those leaks. I say I have intercepted this document, I have intercepted that document, unpinchable sources, and when you know. Allegedly, people like that lady, they were the ones who were sending information out to NDC. Do you know how I know? There is an interesting conversation on Facebook that is going on right now. The grassroots of NDC, NDC, say Nasa Rosemond Obeng Obadabena, they say are pointing as personal aid to John Mahama. And they are posting all over Facebook. They are angry. Say, "Obit me free MPP mu. Now you Juma to some Mahmoud Bawumia office of 1 year. Oba so be campaign my NDC. Your man with such a big position because we are personal aider to John Mahama. What it means, they say, even if John Mahama leaves as president, still government bet you AyEka every month. You bet you AyEka. And now NDC for grassroots omubwe fupa. And one of the leading people who are in this team, who are very popular in this team, will reply. One of those grassroots people say, "Mude munka manutum, ade bia na pese munkasa. Munim sa Rosemond Obeng. Oya obi a friend Mole, MOLE, secret agent. That was on NDC assignment, right? Says I'm my friend Rosemond Obeng. Oya obi a na NDC for no masheda. A planting over MPP so that otiminya sensitive information sir na or the sending more no mu die propaganda enti And yes, now Sir Rosemond now on kind party new. But Oka party new, but now Juma as a double agent. Now Juma as a double to get sensitive access to sensitive information. And there are a lot of them. And party must see like that. Some of them they will not get open appointment too. That you will know. But you have to study. You have to study and see that and then I say, and this is for my baba mono. They are picking everybody away Juma under MPP. But some people hold their move from Musan Kamu. As a Masem from Mukakra says Bibisa. You start fishing them out. Uncle they will claim say they are supporting one candidate. Yaya primaries mo. But ultimately who say assembly or mukabiano is not because they are supporting somebody who they are just trying to cause confusion in the party, cause division in the party. Most of them are double agents working for NDC. Most of them. And you see, we must be careful and be on the lookout. Always be on the lookout for such people. When somebody comes and tell you, say, Muslims cannot be president. Such people. When somebody comes and tells you Northerners cannot be president. Such people. When they come with that kind of message, you must understand, say, only a double agent. And do you know something? Some of these people are AyEka say, and Muslims are president, you know. Some of them, when they had power, and now more Ghana gas, you know. When party grassroots people went to them, say ye pejuma uyo babiano, obe proposing more. And people are aware of this. There are a lot of ladies only on Mukasawa ye party more. They are hurt. They don't want to hear anything about MPP. Adentia, because they campaign for MPP. When we came to power, appointees were asking them for sex before giving them appointment. And all these things led to people not going out to vote. But those people have the confidence, the impudence, the temerity to come and look at us in the face, say, Bawumia or a Muslim into Naya to Abamano. Let's ask ourselves. A brand now or Ghana gas or Babi or Ba office no hobby or person or dinuno. Not Bawumia or hobby. Or no or ye Christo Nino. And did not know, say, Bible is against the fact, say, if you are going to help somebody out, you must take advantage of the person first. Bible is against that. Wow, ye Christo Nina or Ghana gas. Who name sir? Was Bawumia there? When people call you, say, Honorable, I want to come to your office. We say, oh, Debbie, I'm staying at Bochwe. I'm staying at Pantine. I'm staying at Kolebu. So come to my house. Do we do job interviews in the house? When you were telling party ladies that come to my house, was Bawumia there? Was it because Bawumia was a Muslim? That is why you were telling party ladies who were asking for a job that they should come to your house for interview. Kumasi, you are welcome. You see, that is why I've always been maintaining, say, some of these people, they must be careful so that they don't push some of us beyond our breaking point. Because when you start pushing us beyond our breaking point, we will be forced to meet you with equal strength. And what it will mean is, they say, some of these ladies that you were harassing, and because they did not give you their bodies, you refuse to help them get job. We will go and sit them down, open interviews, and we come and post it on YouTube. For everybody in the party to know that some of you are the reasons why we lost 2024. So the earlier you put that Northerner and then Islamic senseless campaigning to rest, the better. because we are watching, we are monitoring. We know all of you. We know all of you. People call us on daily basis. People send us messages with evidence, voice notes. What some of you people were doing with appointment that you were given. Some of you. And today you come and turn around and said Bawumia was not a good candidate. That's why people didn't vote. Party people who sat in the house, most of them had never seen Bawumia or spoken about Bawumia before. So how did Bawumia offend them? It was some of these people who were executives, some of them appointees, who were hurting people, breaking party ladies' heart. Appointee Bako were breaking Mbabes 6. Our constituency Bakumu. They are broken all of them their hearts. One appointee, our constituency Bakumu. You are broken 6 ladies who were in the party, who were MPP. Break your heart. Promise you. So on the election day, they decided not to go and vote. Then you turn around and come and be campaigning for somebody else. You will not keep quiet and go and find somewhere and something to say. Then you say, Bawumia, you're Muslim. Was Bawumia the one dating the 6 ladies you were dating in one constituency and you were breaking their heart? Bawumia ni wuna and date you. We must be careful. We must be careful. And it's for that reason that I can tell you on authority. Said there are some people in this party, they can be the best communicators the party ever has. After 31st January, they will be useless in MPP. Yes. Sometimes you must choose loyalty over gifting. Anybody can be trained. If you're not a good communicator, you can be trained to become a good communicator. I know some of my friends who were fieros. They entered into the army and they trained them to become fearless. When they hear the sound of gun somewhere, they run towards it. You and I, when we hear gun somewhere, we run away from it. So after 31st January, there are some people that will never be allowed to come close to Mamudu Bawumia again when he becomes flag bearer. Some of these double agents who are on both MPP and NDC payroll. And it's sad. So, some Miss Rosemond Obeng, Jomama man appointment as personal aide. And so we know where they are. We know where their allegiance lies. Now,